Your family deserves a safe and fun backyard around your pool. That's why for over 40 years, families have trusted Protect a Child with the strongest, safest removable pool fence available. Our patented I-beam composite posts deliver strength and safety while providing a clean look with no visible screws. Other fences use weak aluminum posts that bend or snap, leaving the fence sagging and unsafe. In the sun, they get hot to the touch and their colors chip and peel. Protect a Child's composite posts keep your fence straight, secure, cool, and attractive year after year. Designed for strength and beauty, Protect a Child pool fences complement your pool and outdoor space with a variety of color and height options. Installing and replacing our mesh panels is quick and simple with Protect a Child's patented modular system, keeping your pool fence secure year after year. Our strong UV-resistant and self-healing mesh has been trusted for over 40 years to create a clear, reliable safety barrier around your pool. Our child-safe, adult-friendly latches, along with our secure lock-and deck posts, add extra layers of protection, giving your family peace of mind around the pool. Choose between a self-closing gate or a manual option to fit your family's needs. Protect a Child's nationwide network of trained local dealers will make sure your pool fence is installed straight and secure, keeping your family safe while looking great. Remember, no single safety measure is enough around water. Always watch your children, get them into swim lessons early, and add a pool fence for a strong physical layer of protection. Let's help keep your family safe around the pool. Reach out today for your free quote.